This quick video is about how to enable and disable bold text on iPhone in 2022. Okay, let's see that. First open Settings app, then scroll down a bit and open Accessibility. Then you can see this option, Display and Text Size. Open that. Yes, here you can turn on bold text. Just tap this toggle button near bold text. Yeah, now you can visibly see the difference. Each and every letters are converted as bold text. And again, if you tap this toggle button, bold text will be disabled. And additional to bold text, if you turn on this increase context, that will give some extra dark appearance. Like this. If you wish, you can also use with it or just turn off that. That's it for now. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.